Congratulations, Azza.
Thank you.
20 years is such a monumental milestone, and it's such a joy to see Azza growing by leaps and bounds. So, how's been your journey like?
Journey has been excellent. Lots of ups, lots of downs also. And the best thing about this multi-designer industry is no matter what the external challenges be, but there is so much that we can do. There's so much strength that we develop. And the graph goes up and up. The minor downs, challenges, they don't bother.
Wonderful to know that. So, you have a beautiful association with Rocky S. So, talk to us about that partnership.
So, our 20 years association is not a small thing in this industry where everything is about commercials, everything is about here and now. But at Azza, we have been fortunate to build up those kind of connections which are across the ages, across the seasons, and still evergreen, ever fresh, ever exciting.
Super fantastic. So, talk to us about the collection, the latest. What's special about this?
So, Rocky as an individual, so youthful, so glamorous. He has had his association with the films, with the socialites, with the actual customers. And what he does is, he has that youthful, glamorous, shimmery, shiny look. At the same time, he will add factors like this. So this is something that is eternal. It doesn't go out of style. Right from the vintage looks to the contemporary feel to it. It has the shimmer inside. It has the subdued feel outside. The structure.
Beautiful.
The royal look. That is his specialty.
Excellent. What's the way forward for Azza?
So at Azza, we have grown from 1 store to 14 stores. The journey continues, but we always strive to keep bringing new collections, new looks, stay contemporary, promote new talents also. That's the way forward. At the same time, not forgetting our stalwarts like Rocky, keeping them also with us.
Your final comments for the lovely showcase today?
The showcase is absolutely glamorous and amazing, and I would suggest everybody come take a look. You will find something for yourself, and the journey of Azza continues. You will always find something new, something happening, something contemporary, at the same time keeping our heritage and classic traditions alive.
Beautiful. Cheers to 20 years and the beautiful legendary brand.
Thank you. Cheers to everybody.